So whitening is controversial because it's short term. A lot of people sell whitening and they don't tell the patient that the teeth will go back to the normal color. So if you want to whiten, and especially if you have other crowns in your mouth, they won't whiten. So it has to be explained to the patient. If it's before function or something like that, and you know it's short term, that's fine. Otherwise, you have to continually re-whiten your teeth every 3 to 6 months. And if that's what you want, it's very available.